Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study internal medicine residency step by step. First, focus on building a strong foundation in core internal medicine topics. Dedicate time to understanding the fundamental principles of common diseases. Leverage resources like Harrison's Principles of Internal Medicine or UpToDate for comprehensive knowledge. Aim to spend at least 1 to 2 hours daily on dedicated study, even during busy rotations, to solidify your understanding from the very beginning. Next, integrate highly effective study techniques into your routine. Active recall, where you retrieve information without looking at notes, significantly boosts memory. Combine this with spaced repetition, reviewing material at increasing intervals to cement knowledge. Crucially, engage with question banks, aiming for at least 50 to 100 questions daily. This practice helps you apply concepts and identify knowledge gaps, preparing you for both clinical scenarios and examinations. As you progress, focus on integrating your knowledge into clinical practice. Actively seek opportunities to apply what you learn from textbooks to real patient encounters. Engage thoughtfully during rounds, asking questions and discussing differentials. For board certification, start a dedicated review period 6 to 12 months prior. Utilize a comprehensive board review course and complete thousands of additional practice questions, aiming for at least 200 to 300 questions weekly during this intensive phase. Finally, remember that sustaining success in residency involves more than just studying. Prioritize your well-being by ensuring you get sufficient sleep, maintain a healthy diet, and engage in activities you enjoy. Seek out mentors who can offer guidance and support throughout your training. Embrace the journey of lifelong learning, staying current with medical advancements even after completing your residency. This holistic approach will ensure both your professional growth and personal resilience.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.